Humanity's tapestry is vibrant with threads of diverse beliefs, often entangled in conflict. Yet amidst discord, World Interfaith Harmony Week emerges as a luminous beacon of hope. More than a calendar event, it's a universal call to action. This initiative invites us to embark on a transformative journey towards understanding, peace, and collective healing. Faith and spirituality, our societal pillars, have the profound ability to unite us in our diversity, turning experiences of conflict into cooperation. The need for interfaith harmony has become increasingly urgent as tensions and disagreements test the fabric of our global community. This calls for a critical emphasis on dialogue, empathy, and collaboration. As we delve into World Interfaith Harmony Week, let's open our hearts to stories of unity in diversity, of barriers dismantled and bridges constructed. This path to peace is paved by the courageous efforts of individuals and communities worldwide, transcending belief boundaries to discover common ground. Let us remember, our differences enrich, not divide, our journey toward a harmonious world. In our world's diversity, where beliefs paint humanity's canvas in myriad colors, heroes of harmony see diversity not as a barrier, but as a bridge. Amid discord and misunderstanding, they discern a unity symphony, initiating dialogues that bind different faiths into a peace tapestry. These heroes, from neighborhood nooks to global communities, are propelled by conversation's power and understandings. Facing challenges, deep-seated prejudices, and age-old traditions, they shine brightest against adversity. Through community projects and interfaith gatherings, they demonstrate tolerance's foundation, celebrating, not erasing, our differences. Their transformative stories range from mosques aiding churches in distress to synagogues and temples co-hosting events embodying hope. Each act of harmony showcases the possibilities when hearts and minds unite in understanding. Inspired by their journeys, we're reminded of humanity's tapestry, where every thread, color, and pattern is essential. In unity, there's strength. In diversity, beauty. Forward to a world where peace and harmony are not aspirations, but realities. With World Interfaith Harmony Week's conclusion, we stand at a significant crossroads. The week's spirited celebrations and reflections have left an indelible mark on global peace and understanding. Across bustling cities and quiet villages, a unified commitment under the banner of harmony has showcased the overcoming power of faith and spirituality over division. Yet, our journey doesn't end here. It's just begun. Woven together by threads of interfaith understanding and mutual respect, our path demands commitment, courage, and compassion. As we pledge to extend the spirit of World Interfaith Harmony Week beyond its days, let's bridge divides and seed peace in hopeful hearts. This charge transcends the week past, extending to every day ahead. Each of us, irrespective of faith, is called to promote interfaith harmony, to champion religious tolerance, ensuring our collective pursuit of global peace and understanding endures. As we close this chapter, let us embrace the ongoing quest for unity and diversity, for harmony begins with each of us.